Hi everyone, today I'm making rosemary and mint goat's milk soap using the Eroma fragrance. I have my hard and soft oils at 96 degrees Fahrenheit and my goat's milk is around 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which will cool my oils down to around 90 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm giving these a good blend with a stick blender before I incorporate my lye solution. As I have added my goat's milk to my oils this time, my lye solution is just the water and the caustic soda. I've noticed making my soap this way that the mixture has darkened quite a lot, so I'll be definitely adding titanium dioxide to my main batch. I have 2 jugs for my colours. I have mixed my mica with a small amount of olive oil. It just makes it so much easier to incorporate into the soap batter. My green is melon fizzer and my purple blue colour is a mixture of Eminence and Catalina blue. All of the micas are from my Mica obsession. I'm giving these a good mix through and adding a splash of titanium dioxide to my blue as I think it's a little bit too dark. And I'll be placing the rest of my titanium dioxide to my main batch. The fragrance is really nice for this batch and I'm using 30 ml and placing most of it into my main batch with a splash into my colours and give these a really good stir through. I'm going to do my first coat hanger swirl, so I'm placing my white on the bottom, then I will rotate my colours, placing a row of green and blue side by side, then turning my mould and placing a line of blue and green. In between, I'm pouring in more of my white. Using the coat hanger, I'm going down through the middle and doing circles on one side to the top and then repeating this on the other side. Then a couple of large circles through the whole batch. Now to just pretty up the top by a line of blue and green. And a simple swirl using the end of my spoon. I'm also going to sprinkle some cornflowers, which should go really nicely with the colours I've used. I'm going to give this a light spray with alcohol and then place it on my bench. And we'll see you back for the cutting shortly. Hi everyone, I'm back to cut the rosemary and mint soap. It's been around 2 days as it did take a little longer to set up than what I first thought. The fragrance is really nice and smells slightly more of mint than of the rosemary. Coat hanger swirl looks absolutely amazing. I'm definitely going to use this technique again. The lighting isn't great today, so I'll add a photo at the start and at the end of the video to give you a closer look. I've really liked making this soap and hope you have enjoyed watching how to make rosemary and mint goat's milk soap.